2 decades is a long time. I think it's still going to take a while for Chinese property to stabilize. And look, you now have demographic headwinds. So I don't think Chinese property as an asset class is going to be a good asset class for quite a long while. But again, 2 decades is a long time. But do you want to be involved there for the next 3 to 5 years? On the equity side, I would argue probably not. On the debt side, actually, it's actually perhaps very attractive. What's been very interesting, if you look at since the government intervention, since the stimulus, the equity of the property developers has gone up 100, 200%. And a lot of the bonds that are trading at 5-10 cents on the dollar haven't moved. And they're now backed up by a lot more equity than they were just a few weeks ago. So, I think if you feel like a punt on Chinese property, the way to do it today is through the bond markets. You buy the bonds again at 5-10 cents on the dollar. And my guess is you'll be able to sell them back in 12 months time at 30 or 40 cents on the dollar, and let somebody else deal with the, working through the bankruptcy. But in terms of, do you want to own real estate itself? Probably not. Do you want to own the equity of the real estate developers? I don't think you want to do that either. If you want to get involved in the property, either you buy the bonds or you buy the property brokers, because actually the number of transactions is going up. The secondary, what's fascinating in China is the primary market is broken because nobody trusts the property developers to deliver, but the demand is still there. So the number of transactions in the secondary markets are actually good, and they're picking up as mortgage rates are coming down. They're actually picking up. So I think that if you want to be involved in property, you either buy the brokers, you either buy Midland Holdings in Hong Kong, Beike and KE Holdings with the tickers Beike in the US. So you either buy that, but I wouldn't rush to buy that, or you buy the debt of the developers, not the equity. Now, when the debt is trading at 10 cents on the dollar, why buy the equity, right?